Hello guys, I am Ali Jawad and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is lesson number 4 on chapter 14 Light of syllabus Physics 5054 for Cambridge and O-level students. So let us start with our lesson. In our previous videos of lesson number 1 to lesson number 3, we have discussed an important topic and phenomena related to light, that is reflection. So to watch the videos, please go to the link provided in the video. In this video, we will start with the lessons on refraction. It is a very important phenomena and it has vast applications in our daily life. So let us start with a basic definition. What can you observe in this glass? Yes, the pencil seems to be broken, but it is not broken in actual life. So what is happening which is causing this pencil to seems to be broken? Yes, the light when it is transmitting from the glass and water is bending, which is causing us to see the pencil in such a way that it looks like that it is broken, but it is not. So when light passes from a transparent medium from one medium to another, it undergoes change in speed as well as change in direction. So the definition of refraction can be given as that when light enters from one medium to another, it goes change in speed and also undergoes change in direction. How we can verify that light is bending in a material? So let us understand with the help of an experiment. In this experiment, we have taken a sheet of paper and has placed a glass slab over it. Now, the experimenter can place two pins on one side of the glass slab so that they coincide and they are linear and they are lying in a straight line. Now the experimenter can observe the pins from the second hand or from the second side by kneeling down on the ground and tries to observe the pin through the glass. The experimenter should place the two extra pins on the other hands in such a way that all the four pins seems to be in a straight line. But when we look it from the top view, it will seem like this. So the initial two pins represent the path of light ray which is entering in the glass from the upper side. And we can also draw a normal over here. The angle between the normal and incident ray represents the angle of incidence, which is represented by angle I. Now, if we may connect the 2 points on the other side, it gives the emergent beam of light, means the light is coming out of the prism or out of the glass slab in this direction. Now, we can also draw the normal over here. The angle between this emergent ray and this normal is known as angle of emergence. Now, one can easily notice that there is a slight curvature in path or the shift in path, which proves that light has bent when it was passing through glass. The angle between the normal and the refracted ray is known as angle of refraction. We can use these two angles, that is angle of incidence and angle of refraction, to measure the refractive index of glass with the help of the formula given in the slide. The refractive index gives us the idea that how much the material can bend light. So higher the refractive index, higher the ability of a material to bend light will be. Over here you can observe a list of different materials with their refractive index. So the refractive index of vacuum and air are more or less same. However, for water it is 1.33. For ice, it is also 1.3. For glass, it is about 1.5, and for diamond, it is about 2.41 or 2.42 if we may round it off to the two figures. So among these materials, the diamond has the highest ability to bend light. However, vacuum, the light will not bend because the angle of incidence and the angle of refraction are giving the ratio of 1, means the refractive index is 1. You can also notice the labelings of the experiment in the diagram given on the left hand side of the slide. So This is the incident angle and this is incident ray which is incoming from the source. The ray which is making 90° with the surface is normal, which is labeled over here, and the light ray which is coming out of the glass slab is known as emergent ray. Now note that this was the initial path of the light ray which is being shown with the dotted line. So we can see a lateral shift in light ray, means the light has changed its path and is deviated from its original path and coming out of the other point. This angle is the angle of refraction. So in examination, an incomplete diagram like this can be given to you to complete the figure, and it can be a question up to 4 marks. So I would suggest to note down the labelings and try to remember it, and specifically it is for P4. So I hope that you would have liked the lesson. Don't forget to subscribe our channel to watch the latest videos on the same topic. Thank you for watching.